Hey man, do you want to eat balot?
There's a
See that?
Balot.
It's already broken. Balot is very good for the health. Diba, Jor?
It keeps good for your health.
Yeah.
Keep some.
And this is our suka, we mix with chili and brown sugar. First
When you
step,
eat that,
just pour some
some suka
some
there.
suka there over there
Like that.
and then
Then
you
Shake
come
it.
on shake it
roll.
roll
Then
then put in the mouth. Hey,
you eat.
see that?
That's all.
It's good. Stop.
But it's so nice. Delicious.
It's delicious, Yeah. You see that feathers over there?
Feathers.
And also, no, you
Feathers
see
on the
that?
chicks?
It's already a form chick,
Like a chick, but
chicken.
it's so delicious.
What the F, man? It's all. This is good.
Good for your health.
Good for the health. That's all. Wait. If you want balot, just try in market. Available in SMB Qatar. I mean, and Kanto over there. Yeah. Thank you for your viewing, man.